Subscribe and click on the bell. ألف همزة واو كاف راء ألف نون ياء ألف. أوكرانيا. Let's see how to write this. Remember that the line is right here. Okay, so some parts of the word are below the line and some are above. Keep that in mind, okay? Alif. Don't forget the hamza that goes on top of it. Wow. Kaf and Ra are written in one stroke like this. There's no need to stop at each letter. Don't forget the stick of the Kaf. And then another Alif here. Noon, Ya, and Alif are written as one stroke. Don't forget the dot for the Noon, the two dots for the Ya. Ukrania. Subscribe and click on the bell.